Alrighty guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. Today we're going to be opening up a Yu-Gi-Oh card, first edition Dragons of Legends, a complete series, as well as when I purchased that they also gave me a thank you pack. Not really sure what's inside of it, but we're going to open that as well. Alrighty, we're going to get right into it. Sorry guys, had to make a little hole in it. Alrighty, let's see what we're going to get in it. It looks like it's just a couple of booster packs. All that's in there comes with a dueling dice, I think it is. And keep in mind, I haven't opened up one of these packs since I was like 13. But it does come with a holographic XYZ import spell card, individually wrapped. And it comes with 2 packs of 18 cards in each one. So let's see what we got in the first pack. First card is a Performapal Corn, Aquarium Lighting, number 78, number Archive, Lilybot, Raid Raptor, Napalm Dragoness, Prediction Princess Arrow Scythe, number C5, Chaos, Chimera Dragon, Roulette Spider. Very nice. We got a number 100 Nimron Dragon, holographic, a Comic Hand holographic, Paladin of Dark Dragon holographic, Aquarium Stage, Double Magical Armbind, Prominent Hand, Red Nova, Goddess Bow, Red Eyes Burn, and Mirror Force Dragon. And these are all first editions. So let's get into the second pack. Alrighty. We have an Assault Dog, Express Train Charlie, Prediction Ritual, Flower Guardian Zebra, Grass with Moon, Aqua Story, Night Express Night, Construction Train Signal Red, Flower Guardian Willow. We have a holographic Galaxy Eye Cipher Dragon, Toon Briefcase, holographic, comic hand. I guess we got a second one of those holographic. Flower Guardian, Relay Soul, number 51, finisher of the Strong Army. Zushin, the Sleeping Giant, the Suppression Pluto, Aqua Actress Tetra, and Performapel Uni. So pretty much the holographics that we got out of there is, let's see if I can get a quick picture of it. So pretty much first edition, each of the cards. Two comic hands, XYZ import, and a Toon briefcase. And we're gonna open this extra pack that the guy sent. I'm not really sure what's in it, but it says as a thank you for your purchase. Oh, he gave me some case protectors. That's very cool. So I'll be able to put some of my cards in there. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, subscribe, and as I stated in all the other videos, we'll be giving away free holographic cards every 100 subscribers. And then once we hit 1,000, we are going to give away the graded Pokemon card as well. So hopefully soon we will be opening up this Yu-Gi-Oh! Legendary Duelist booster box. Chance at a Ghost Rare God card. So yeah, hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video.